Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to do this watercolor painting. This is a tutorial for beginners and it's a really easy painting. So let's start. The things you will need are a brush. Any one size brush is okay, but it needs to be a round brush because it's easier to apply with round brushes. Watercolors, you can use cakes like I'm doing, or you can use tubes. I personally prefer cakes because they have a lot more shades. A ball of water and a cloth just to wipe your brush. So let's start with the sky. So first we need to apply blue. It's a mix of cobalt blue and Persian blue. Just a light thing. If you want, you can apply water first and then apply the blue like I'm doing. My brush is a water holding brush. I don't know what it's really called, but I just call it a water holding brush because it has a tank here which holds water. So I'm just applying a thin layer of blue with lot of water. Continue doing this up to here approximately and keep lightening it as you go. Add less and less paint so that the color becomes dimmer and dimmer. So as you can see, we have done our blue. Next we need to do yellow. Same way. If you want, you can bring the blue a little lower, but for this one, unlike the previous one, I'm going to make the yellow a little higher. For this, I'm using lemon yellow. A mix of lemon yellow and Gambo's yellow actually. It's turning out green because the blue and yellow are mixing, as you can see. Just blend it in like this. Just go over it a few times and it will blend. Then start using the bright lemon yellow on the bottom part and then again dim it out. Just blend this in really well. Just go over it a few times, it will blend on its own. I'm going to apply yellow till here. As you can see, I have applied more water in this part. Make sure it's not patchy. Then we're going to use this pink and a mix of pink and red. And we're going to apply it till the bottom. Again blend it like this. If you're using a normal brush, use a lot of water. Dip your brush in water first and then apply paint. Use little paint and more water. That's the main key rule in watercolors. You need to use more water than paint. Darken it as you go down. Like this, as you can see. This needn't be even, you can use however you want. Even if it's a little like patchy, it's fine because the sky is not perfect. There are many variations of color in a sunset, and so it needn't be perfect. As you can see, we blend the colors. This completes our sky. So now we need to let this dry and then we can proceed. We need to add the cactuses and all. So I'll see you once it's dry. So I've allowed it to dry for 45 minutes. Now let's continue. Now I'm going to use this white color. And I'm going to just do some dots on the top here to make it look like stars, because this is a night scene, just random dots here and there. You can make as many or as few as you like, but one thing with watercolors is that you need to go over colors again and again if you want them dark. So this will take like 2 or 3 coats. Just normal dots, as you can see. And also next we're going to do some clouds with the same white color. We're going to make some lines like this. This is an optional step. If you want, you can do. Just with a dry brush. Next we're going to do the ground. So I'm going to just freehand this. If you want, you can sketch it out and then do. So I'm going to use the black. I'm going to just do a line here. I'm going to just make it a little easier for you to see. I'm going to put my picture like that. I'm going to make like a line right across the bottom. You can make it as thick or thin as you want. I'm going to just fill it in. This again will take a couple of coats, but I'm going to just do one. I wanted a little transparent, so the previous one I had done 3 coats, but for this one I want to make it a little different because no 2 paintings are identical according to me. Just a personal thought. So I've done the ground, now we're going to draw the cactus. I'm going to just bring it here, like that, and I'm going to just fill it in. So we've done like a block like thing. Now we're gonna just do like this and then like that to make it look like a cactus. I'm gonna make it a little bit taller. Like this. And I'm going to do the same thing here also, but a little bit more like blobbish, like that. I'm just freehanding it here, so don't judge me, please. So I've done one cactus. I'm going to do a smaller one right there to make it look like it's in the distance. Same process, just make it a little smaller and a little dimmer, like that. And then same steps, just do this. If you want, you can use a smaller brush to make it a little bit more rounded. Like that. Same thing on the other side. So I'm going to add a little bit of white highlight to this small cactus here. So I'm going to use a little bit of white and I'm going to just do like this and just blend it into the black to make it look more like it's in the distance. Same thing with the it makes it look a little bit grey, but this adds to the effect. So we're done with our painting. This is the finished product. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and tell me in the comments what you want to see next. Thank you.